Shawty wanna do it in the north.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It is currently 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Now we're about to meet up with the homie Chris in his 2019 GTR Track Edition, the homie Brit in his 2014 Premium Edition that's pushing 800 wheel, and the homie Brandon in his M3. And then we're cruising to Charlotte because we're going to Bears and Gears today. I've never been there before. It should be insane. We should see a lot of exotics. I'm pretty damn excited, yo. But definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sansigen so you can keep up with it. And definitely support the channel, man. You know, I put a lot of hard work into the merch. Link will be in the description below. You can actually go cop that and go rep it, you know, TunerGodz.com. But let's hit the road. We got GTR homie Brit, the homie and the Beamer. Where the hell is my boy Chris at? You awake?
No.
Dude, I got 3.5 hours of sleep.
That's probably about me. I woke up at like 2 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Respect it. Respect it. Respect it. Silver GTR joining the cut too, bro. 09. Oh my god, bro. So sick, dog. So clean. Look at that. Oh my gosh, bro. 2 premium editions. So sick. And then here's a better look at the 09 right here. Oh my god, dude. This thing is so clean. Bringing the ETR around. Nice. Listen to that. V6. Look at this Corvette pulling up, dog. That's clean. Look at this thing. Man, that's mad. You hear that V10? Oh, dog. Yes, sir. Dog, we're in the Huracan right now, man. Sheesh. Backup camera on 10, bro. Look at those paddle shifters. I love them. And that steering wheel too. Oh my god, dude. We're literally inside a jet right now. Look at that, bro. So sick. M4 right here. Casual. Ooh, S2000. Bro, look at this one. Beat my gang. On 10. Old school BMO. Love it, bro. Love it. Love it. I respect it. Yes, sir. Whew. Almost scraped for a second there, bro. Clean, dog. Look at this Supra, bro. So freaking sick, dog. On bags. Oh my god, dude. This one's so clean, dog. So clean. 335i right here, man. Dude. That's so clean, bro. Bears and Gears are sick. Look at this interior. That's clean, dog. S2000 in a light blue, man. This one's so clean, dog. I love this, bro. Look at this barrel, bro. Oh my god. Oh, Pima gang, dog. Oh god, look at this Huracan. Look at that. Yes, bro. Absolutely. Love it. Oh my god, Corvette. C8, bro. Holy moly, dog. That's so sick. And then we got a Q50. Dog, check out this M4, dog. This is the same one that we saw at the Wax On meet. Sick color, bro. It's like blue purple. And then we also have a Cobra, a newer BMW that looks to be like an M4 or an M3. Sick. And then also an SS right here. Oh, Aventador. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Look at that. Oh my god, that's sick. I'm pulling a Ferrari, dog. That's so sick, man. Oh my god, dude, is that what I think it is? Oh my god, bro. SVJ, dog. Huracan, dude. Oh my god. Love it, man. There you go, boss. Of course. Homie brought out the Bentley too. Veloster. Yes, RCF? Boys? That's clean, dog. Yes, sir. Yes. Look at his Beamer, bro. Oh my god, dude. North Carolina today really went crazy. RS7, bro. So clean, dog. Mercedes truck, dog. I like it, bro. So sick. Sheesh. Dog, look at this teal, bro. Oh, SVJ, bro. Yes. Porsche. GT2 RS. Trans Am. This teal SVJ though, man. Here's a better look at it. Carbon fiber wing. Dog, SVJ is $500,000, bro. But still, a beautiful Lambo. No, not the R33. No. It's all good though. It's still a clean ass car. Look at his beams, bro. Oh my god. S3. Look at this, bro. Got a Frenchie in top too. Oh, I love those Porsches, bro. Turbo RS. Got another GTR right here, bro. So beautiful, so clean. Love it, man. I love it, brother. Look at that. Godzilla. GT500 Cobra, bro. Oh my god. This one's clean as hell. Looks like he has the drag radials on the back too. Lotus. This color is so clean, bro. I love it. I love this one, dude. This M3 is so clean, bro. Look at this R8, bro. Oh my god. That's so clean. So sick, dude. Oh my god. Huracan looking so clean, bro. So clean. M4 Beamer boys. And then another sick ass Rari, dude. And that's a brother too, I respect it. Dude, this Aventador though, man. So clean, bro. Oh my god, dude. That's sick. Dude, I love it, man. Porsche. Another Huracan, dog. Huracans out the ass. Look at that, dude. Look at this thing, bro. God. NSX, boys. I love it, dog. Another S2000, bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh, Huracan GTR, bro. Teal Hemi right here. Scat Daddy. I like it, bro. Bro, look at this big ass slice of pizza, bro.
That's gonna be perfect because I haven't eaten since 5 yesterday.
Hey, sheesh, we got another GTR right here, bro. Oh my god. Ugh, it's a little dirty though, bro. A little dirty, but I still like it, bro. GTR all the way, bro. So, turns out this is actually the 8080 Huracan, dude. That's so freaking sick, dog. I literally just entered the GTR giveaway, but unfortunately I didn't win it this time. It's cool though, we will one day. Guys, I'm right here with 8080 Huracan winner, Justin, dude. Like, what was that feeling of like just winning it, getting that call?
It's completely unbelievable. It really doesn't set in until it's set in the garage for 6 months and you open the door and you're like, oh, it's still there. You know, it's pretty unbelievable.
Dude, that's crazy, man. A lot of people out there want to have that feeling, but you know, look, you just put your positive energy out there into the world, guys. It could be you too. Look at this Viper though, dog. Black and white. Sick, man. Look at this R8, bro. Oh my god, dude. So sick. And then we have an NSX right here, bro. NSX is sexy, my guy. So clean. Oh my god. R32 right here. Sick. I like those wheels, bro. I do. GTR. Look at this green Huracan right here, bro. So sick, dog. Evo too. I like it, bro. Ooh, that a Nismo? I love it, dog. Nah, it's just a regular edition. AMG, bro. GTR. Lotus Evora right here, dog. So sick, bro. I love it. Huracan's out the ass, dude. was just absolutely insane, that whole experience. I had no idea what to expect coming to Gears and Beers here in Charlotte, but I can say that my expectations were well, highly exceeded. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Definitely follow the car build on Instagram at Svj to keep up with it, and support the channel by shopping TunerGodz merch here. Link will be in the description. But we're gonna wrap this up right here, so you already know. Peace, love, sleep in grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because of Svj Vlogs.
I say fling it back on me. Got the body and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup and never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.